Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Monday, August 3rd. We're seeing a rather beautiful morning out there. We're seeing a little bit of a calm before the storm, as we're just going to be seeing partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies throughout the day today, then seeing some chances of some light showers later in the day before conditions really begin to deteriorate as we go into late tonight ahead of tropical storm Isaias. And that is what is going to be the big weather story as we go into tonight and throughout tomorrow. Taking a look at our surface analysis, there's the tropical storm down there just off the coast of northern Florida. It is currently moving slowly north and is expected to make landfall later today, somewhere near the North Carolina, South Carolina border. Today we're going to be seeing, like I said, just some partly cloudy skies this morning. Clouds will increase later this afternoon and evening, possibly seeing a chance of a isolated shower as we go into the early afternoon hours, with shower chances increasing as we go into tonight, becoming likely after about midnight tonight, and then we'll start to see those real impacts from that tropical storm as we go into tomorrow morning. Let's take a quick look at our satellite this morning. Seeing just partly cloudy skies across the Delmarva this morning. We are seeing some lower clouds start to develop across the Wallops region this morning, around 1,500 feet or so. That's going to be the case this morning, seeing just a scattered cloud deck near that 1,500-foot level. Then we'll see some mid-level clouds starting to move in as we go into this afternoon, and then seeing shower chances start to ramp up as we go into this evening, and especially over the overnight hours. There's the tropical storm Isaias on the satellite here, just off the coast of Georgia and northern Florida. Currently, it's moving northward, and then, like I said, as we go later in today, we are going to see that make landfall somewhere near the Carolina border. So taking a look at the National Hurricane Center forecast, it's looking like it's going to make landfall maybe around midnight tonight, and then it's going to pick up steam as it gets over land and starts to get picked up by this trough that's generally over the Midwest and the Ohio Valley. That's going to bring the center of the storm, looks like, over the Chesapeake Bay, and possibly seeing the center of the storm right over the Salisbury region as we go into midday tomorrow. And we are going to be getting those impacts with some heavy rain expected, gusty winds to tropical storm force at times, especially on the coast over at Wallops. And as we go tomorrow morning, we are going to be in the preferential quadrant for these type of storms to possibly see an isolated tornado, especially on the coast if we perhaps get an landfalling, a waterspout, which is definitely possible as we go, especially into the first half of tomorrow. So taking a look at our current weather, it is scattered at 1,500 feet out there. Winds are from the southwest from 8 knots, temperature of 81 degrees. For today, going to be looking at a high of around 89 degrees this afternoon. Winds are going to be southwesterly to south-southwesterly at 8 to 13 knots through lunchtime, and then shifting more southerly at 8 to 13 knots and gusty as we go into late this afternoon and evening. Then as we go past midnight, those southerly winds will increase 10 to 15 knots and gusty, and then after 4 a.m., starting to really see those winds increase as they shift more southeasterly. We're going to see those winds really start to ramp up as we get towards sunrise, and then we'll see our maximum winds occur sometime in the late morning to early afternoon on Tuesday, with wind gusts in excess of 55 miles per hour possible, especially right on the Wallops coast and over there on the island. We are expecting a low tomorrow morning of 76 degrees. We could start to see some sprinkles out there after lunchtime today, only looking around 20% chance though until 8 p.m. And then those rain chances will increase after sunset, becoming likely after about midnight or so, and then possibly even seeing a thunderstorm as we go into the pre-dawn hours and throughout late Tuesday morning and into Tuesday afternoon. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to see those clouds near 1,500 to 2,000 feet throughout much of the day today. Then seeing some mid-level clouds near 15,000 feet this afternoon, as well as those slight chances of rain showers. Rain will become more likely once we get into the evening hours after sunset, seeing those ceilings drop down below 1,000 feet at times, especially in any rain showers. And then after midnight tonight, seeing broken at 500, broken at 2,500, possibly even lower than that if we get into any heavy rain towards the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow morning. So let's take a quick look at our weather model to show you how these rain showers will develop. This is going through the afternoon hours. Not showing too much rain develop on here, but we could see a sprinkle after about noon, with rain becoming more likely between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the form of some light showers. This is 8 p.m. here on this timestamp. As we go throughout the evening hours, we'll continue to see rain showers across the area. Doesn't look like we'll see a good chance of thunderstorms until the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, and there is the bulk of Isaias. Here is 8 a.m., and that's when we're going to be seeing some chances for thunderstorms. And as we go towards the late morning hours, we'll see those stronger cells. And like I said, there is going to be a slight chance of an isolated tornado, particularly on the coast, as we go into tomorrow morning and I think through about lunchtime tomorrow. So for tomorrow, cloudy and windy. It's going to be those periods of heavy rain with some embedded thunderstorms. Tropical wind gusts will be in excess of 55 miles per hour at times, especially late morning into early afternoon. Can't rule out an isolated tornado early with a high of 82. That storm is going to move out of here by Tuesday evening, so Tuesday night's going to be rather pleasant out there, partly cloudy, just a very slight chance of an isolated shower early, but right now only looking like a 10% chance. Low of 73, and we'll see some mostly clear skies by the late in the night Tuesday. Wednesday, we're going to be returning to a more typical summer pattern with partly to mostly cloudy skies and some pop-up scattered afternoon thunderstorms possible with a high of 89 degrees. That will do it for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.